Now I will show you how you can practice tests for preparation to your LEED Green Associate or LEED AP. Here I open courses in LeadTrick's website. I go to, for example, in LEED Green Associate. And of course, you should have account first by having here signing up for an account and activate the account by email. Here you can go to this package, which include the LEED practice tests, or you can have the full package that includes the videos and reviews and the practice test. If you don't need the videos, you can have this package only. So in here, you can find around 2,000 questions or more, 20 quizzes, exam simulations, and so on. But actually, let me show you what is inside. What is really inside? What is this here description? So what is inside? So I will go to my dashboard because I already have this course, and I'll go to the LEED Green Associate here, review and practice and review. Open it. And when you open it, forget about this video. You can just go here, review and exams. Review and exams. What is review? In review, you have very valuable information before you go to the exam. So it's not just a testing package, but it also help you recall the questions. You have flashcards for every chapter, flashcards, definitions, and standard. Here's the flashcards where you review everything in this chapter by question, and when you click here, you get the answer. Next, this is the question. You click here, you get the answer, and there is option for translation as well. All right, yeah. More interesting that if you don't want to get it by chapter, review by chapter, just general review, you can go here and get the flashcards from here for the whole course, which include around 400, almost 395, meaning 400 flashcards. Very useful exam night, very, very useful. But if you don't want, you can just take it one by chapter, so it's up to you. The same for the flashcard definitions and standard. Of course, LEED 12 questions or more or less come in the exam, so you need to know all the standards. So we divided it to you also by chapter, or even here, you can get the whole standard mentioned in LEED Green Associate here. The whole standard and definition. Definition, just read it actually. But let me show you the interesting part. Let me show you the most interesting, the exams, which is arranged in chapter exam and simulation exam. Let me show you, of course, the same arrangement is there, but simulation is simulating the real exam, and even the question types here are similar and same ideas that you can find in the examination based on 100% success rate last year, and the rates are very high. The scores are very high actually. So let's start here. From here, starting the test. You can find the same to exam, 100 question, timing actually 2 hours. And here you can select the answer, and you can also make next or previous or see your answer. Here the answer, see, you selected the wrong. So here the right one. And you can notice also that you have answers all explained. Why is this right? Why is this correct? Even though there is a translation as well, but you don't need it if you are English speaking. So you can here navigate all questions, and you can also here flag the question to the end of the exam. If you really confused about the answer, just do a flag. See, this question number is what? 1. So I will go to all questions. I will see the question that I flag here, number 1, and the flag is there. If I clear the flag, of course, clear the flag and don't go to all question, nothing is there, the flag has gone. So the same for chapters, of course, but the simulation, it's really, really something similar to the environment and the question types that you will find in the exam. Here you can also do the same and see answers, or of course there is also here in your here if you go to the dashboard, your dashboard, you can here find your if you enroll in full course, you'll find certifications, number of courses, and the number of success, and it will give you analytics of for every course. So when you go to here, my courses, it's only my courses, but the dashboard, it will give you some analytics here down there of the courses you passed and you failed. And the most interesting here, I will show you also in the practice test, where you can find that you can in the test navigate and here after you finish the total exam simulations here, the 10 exam simulation, you find number 11 here, exam simulation number 11. It will appear, it will not appear once you purchase the course, but it will appear after you answer all questions where you can find your mistakes. So it will collect all mistakes automatic in one quiz. Then you can go and review this question. I hope this was very useful to you, and you already have an idea about how to navigate Litrex's website that will help you to pass your exam from the first try in a very fast time or quick time. Thank you, and see you soon in our LEED courses.